I'm back. I'm back. Bye, rabbit. Say bye, guys, to my rabbit. Bye, rabbit. And our dad. What happened? Why no internet? Yun. At sa tuwing nakikita, this is my house back side and front. This is the front. There is a taro. See taro? You love my rabbit? It's so cute. Thank you so much. Mine! What? Come here. Meow. Where's the dog? Where they are? Where? Not city. I'm here in the province, guys. Where is Muchi? Mukang. My flower, guys. This is my flower. Nice flower. See my nail. I washing my undies. See my nail, guys. It's broken. Icebergs, shout out. This is my place, guys. I belong. Yes, there is a berry out there. Wow, this is my beautiful. Wow, did you see that thunder? Did you hear that thunder, guys? There is a thunder. Let's go into my store, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, guys. This is my place. My beautiful place. Here is a farm. You see? You see, guys? There is a farm. There's no water, so how could this farm, guys? This farm is thunder means thunder. It's coming a storm, you know. There is a light thunder. There's a sound thunder like this. You see this? A mountain. Need to go to the store. It's a beautiful day. Oh, you see? Rain coming. It's rain coming. I don't know. It is rain coming. Rain coming or not? I don't know, guys. It is rain or... Oh, my dog is here. Will come with me. Anong load? Pahingin ng stand, please. Yung stand ko nagla-live. Dito ako.